Hello my friends, I want to show you a small update for Simply Fast. So there was some questions from customers at some features like lock camera to view, and that's it. We can now just working in our scene, select our camera and make camera lock to view. Lock camera to view. So if you're going to camera mode, and now you're rotating the view and your camera will be always with your view. So no matter what you set up, you can play with the focal length and all that stuff. The camera will be with you. So if we turn off, we will notice we are going outside the cam and it will locked to the last position. So, and again, if we hit here, nothing happens. So you need to be from the view, and now it's activated. You can do however you want to change the view of the camera. This is the first small update we added. The next point will be if we have like a cube like this and we want to make a bit more of detailing here, and we are using, I just try to separate it into the seams so we can notice it, so you will see it here better. So let's do it like this, and we want from this top part we want just cloth. So the main way was we make subdivisions if we want pressure set up a bit higher, and now we have like a pillow, or how it called, to sit here. Now we see it's too low res, and I try it again. I make it 4 times, and we can play with angular and linear close solving method. And yes, we could now delete this, and now we have this nice sitting. Oh, of course I need to make it like this. We can play with all the values we know, with shrinking value, and do all the stuff. But if we are preparing a bit different object, so we are working with this and I want to have cuts like here, I need to do it all separately. But for now, you just easy select the needed points. So let's do it like this. We mark them as sharp, and perhaps I can subdivide here so we have a cleaner result. And what it does now is you select the needed part which you want to be close. You go to fast cloth, and now in the bottom part, separate by sharp, you select this. And for this I don't want to have subdivisions here. I just want to test it like this, and it will separate the object through the sharps, and we got an interesting design. We see what we have here. So you can play, of course, again with all the values what we want, and we see it's a bit too low res. Let's do subdivision here, triangulate it a bit, and hide the source mesh we don't want. Self collision would be nice, and now it will be, of course, a bit slower, but we have more details here. So don't worry about the intersection here. We just turn it off later. But if we set it to linear, we have more clean results like this. Play with the stiffness and pressure and no matter and gravity if you want. So we need more pressure here, and we have designs like this. And that's it. Very small update, but very cool. So if we add here a bit of, where is the letter? I have this letter here. Oops, I don't select the correct one. There it is. Hey, I apply first the cloth, and perhaps it will now work. Like this. And this should be our wooden part. And of course we can go here and merge by distance, and so it will close, and play with the structure scale here, so we have a leatherish object. And of course this one we don't need, we can hide it. Hello, we can hide it or remove it. And then you have this nice object, and from here we can work however we want already. So we can play here with the base settings and work how we want. This is the small update. I think this is very nice, and we can now have more control for the cloth and for the cam, of course. So if we go to the cam again, lock to camera view, and rotating here, we get this nice camera to lock camera to view, sorry. I totally switch them every time. Yes, this is the small update, so feel free to download it, and it's completely free for customers, and have much fun with it. Bye.